Maruti Suzuki India has released the monthly sales figures for March 2021. The company sold 1,55,417 vehicles in the domestic market last month, registering a growth of nearly 2% in month-on-month sales. At the same time, the company witnessed a 97% growth in year-on-year sales. However, the spike in year-on-year numbers has been largely due to the nationwide lockdown that was imposed during the same period last year and brought the country to a standstill due to the coronavirus pandemic. With that in mind, Maruti says that its domestic sales have only recovered to March 2019 levels. As for the company's total sales for the entire 2021 financial year, the manufacturer registered a 7% decline in volumes at over 14,57,000 units sold last fiscal. Tata Motors has recorded a sales growth of 422% in the passenger vehicle business in March 2021. The company sold 29,654 units last month as compared to 5,676 units sold during March 2020. In terms of month-on-month growth, the Indian automaker's sales increased by nearly 9% between February and March this year. The sales in March last year were subdued due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent lockdown, which is why the brand has recorded a massive spike in volumes year on year. The car maker also recorded a growth of 162% in the fourth quarter of the 2021 financial year, selling 83,857 units as compared to 32,000 units sold during the same period last year. With respect to total sales for the 2021 financial year, Tata Motors recorded a growth of 69% with over 222,000 units sold during the previous fiscal. Triumph Motorcycles India has launched the updated range of its 2021 Triumph Bonneville motorcycles in the country. The updated bikes include the Bonneville Street Twin, Bonneville T100, Bonneville T120 and T120 Black, the Bonneville Speedmaster and the special edition Street Twin Gold line. Only 30 units of the Street Twin Gold line will be sold in the country. The updated Bonneville range meets the BS6 emission regulations, while Triumph has also made improvements to the motorcycles that include lower mass, more performance and higher specifications. Prices for the 2021 Triumph Bonneville range starts at 7,95,000 rupees for the Street Twin, while the limited edition Gold line is priced at 8,25,000 rupees. All prices are at Showroom India.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.